Hi, Kathy Barwick here for Diamond Drill Patterns Club. Today I'm going to tell you the supplies that you need to make your own diamond drill coaster. This is a coaster that I've already finished. I made myself a pattern, which here's the pattern. So you need your pattern, you need a piece of blank adhesive canvas. The canvas has a thin film on the top, and you peel that film back and your workspace is underneath that film. You're going to take your pattern, you're going to use, they're called drill beads. And each one of these square grids represents a square grid on your workspace. So you just match them up. Take a bead that's pink for the first row and put it right here on the corner, and you just continue all the way across. That whole bottom row is all pink. You fill it in according to the number of squares on your pattern. You put the same number of beads on the square grids on your workspace. When you're done for the day, you make sure you take the film and lay it on top of your workspace to cover it up and protect it. On my Etsy store, I sell the kits that are your supplies that you're going to need. And in that kit comes a tray, and that's to pour your beads in, like so. Then in the kit also comes a piece of wax and a pen. And you take that pen and you insert the pen into the wax. It fills up the end of the pen and allows you to easily pick up a bead and then put it down on your workspace area. Again, peel back that film and place the bead wherever it shows you on your pattern the color that you're going to put. You just put the bead down. You also get a pair of tweezers in case you put the wrong color or you drop one on there. You can just grab a hold of that bead with your tweezers, pop it off, and put it back into your little tray. So you get your tray, your tweezers, your wax, your pen. You get some baggies, 5 baggies, and that's when you buy your packages of drills, and they come approximately 200 to 210 beads per pack. Just cut it open, pour them inside the baggie, or if you prefer, you can buy these little containers, plastic containers with the lids at Walmart, 24 for like $8, and then take a marker and write the number on the cover. And then if you ever drop them, as long as you have this sealed shut, you won't lose all your beads all over the floor. So those are the supplies that you need to get started. If you have any questions, you can send me an email, Kathy Barwick, that's KathyBarwick, @att.net.